Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I want to share with you a DIY project that I'm going to be doing. And I purchased this from an antique shop, my local shop here, and I just had to steam it because it was wrinkly, so it's ready to go. But I loved it because of the sheep, looks so farmhouse, plus the French wording. So it's French Farmhouse, love it. And I'm ready to go. I purchased this window frame, and it had no grills in it, so it was perfect for this project that I needed. I was looking for one that had no grills, and I also cleaned it already really well before starting this project, so it's ready to go now. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this project we are going to be using the spray adhesive, and this is what I'm using here. And then because of the burlap not covering this completely, I'm also going to be using this burlap ribbon here that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and a whole roll of it for $1. And I'm just going to be placing that along each side, each edge, because it's not covering the window completely. So after I spray the glass, I'll be laying it all out and making sure that I get it on here evenly and straight and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and go ahead and get started with spraying our window. Okay, our project is done, and that was really fast and easy project, actually, I thought. So I think it turned out really good. I'm happy with the way this looks, and I'm just debating whether I should paint the frame like a cream or white and like shabby chic it, let the stain show through and underneath. But I do kind of like it just the way it is too, so let me know what you think. And my mom thinks this looks good the way it is, but I feel like I messed up on it, but she thinks it just adds to the character of it. But I kind of did drag it a little bit after I sprayed the glue. I was trying to straighten out the fabric and the burlap and get it straight on the window frame. So I did drag it a little bit pulling the glue, so that's something, a lesson I learned, but not to do that. But my mom actually thinks it looks cool the way it is, so I decided not to redo it. I just left it alone. So I'm happy with the way it turned out. I think it looks great, and yeah, I'm excited to hang this cutie. And so give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and share and like it, and let me know your opinion with whether to paint the window frame or not, or leave it as it is. So thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.